It's time to rip and tear, and let's check out what's inside the PlayStation 4 mini clone. Howdy people, welcome back to the YouTube channel Wicked Gamer and Collector, and in today's video we are going to do an ripping it apart. Let's rip and tear the PlayStation 4 mini, because I want to show you and I want to know what's inside, what is powering on this little me machine. The first thing I'm noticing that it got 4 little feet, so we're going to remove these and maybe screw underneath, and let's see how we can open it up. And like expected, yes, there are little Phillips screws inside. Hey, I can see myself. Hello. And let's open it up. With my beautiful orange screwdriver. Right, I think this console is screwed together with only 4 screws, or I hope so, that I don't need to remove this little label. Because I really love to leave everything in the original condition. Alright, I have removed the 4 parkers at the bottom, and how you can disassemble it is pretty funny if you ask me. First of all, you can remove the bottom from this console. Yeah, it has no use because you cannot reach the main board. So let's remove the cap, or the part at the top. Right. And this is what we are going to get, people. There's nothing much to it like the X-Game consoles. Alright, let's talk about how is the power coming in and the composite signal going out. It's quite simple. They have connected this main board with 1 cable. It's soldered here at this side, and at the other side it goes combined in here. And if you look closely here, I hope you can see it on the camera. I'm going to move it a little bit. And what we can see here is it's connected the audio left right. The ground here comes on the cable, the power in, and just the ground for, I think it's the power. So these last 2 wires are for the power supply, the main power supply for the main board. There is something that I see that is really interesting. I have no clue why they call it a Capcom AV, and it's from 2016, so that's pretty weird. So did they use the main board for something else in the past? I did some search on the main board, but there is no really big information that I can find about this main board. I've never seen it before. It's not an X-Game or the X-Game Pro system, so it's totally unique for the system. There's a little bit of bummer. They are using this cooling element. It's glued on, so I cannot check out what kind of CPU or processor is on it. So there's a little bit of bummer. But yeah, it's an I think it's a unique PCB board. So yeah, for the final conclusion about what's inside the PlayStation 4 mini, nothing much. Let's call this one the Airbox PS4 mini clone, because yeah, it's a little PCB board, or many PCB boards inside, and it's more plastic with air inside. So that concludes a little bit this video. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell, because you get notified for upcoming videos. And see you next time. Bye bye.